So you put the number 5 here because you have 5 monkeys, right?
Yeah.
So can you put 5 monkeys there?
Wow!
Is it balanced?
Yay! Yes, yes, yes! Brought the scissors for me. This one is, the cover is popping. It has holes and circles.
Okay. So we're gonna
Open this up.
open this up. Okay, I'll help you. So all you kids should ask for help.
From your mama to get the scissors. Don't find the scissors by your own. If you run to your mom, you might get suga.
And what's this toy? This is called the monkey balance.
The monkey bounce. It's smarter than
It's a smart toy.
Yeah, it's a smart toy. And also, we have the balancer holders. What are these, Mama? What are these?
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is assemble.
them.
Yes, open them one by one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is assemble the monkey, put them in the stander, let them stand, like that.
Click,
So you can actually ask help from your parents.
click, click, click.
No, here. Then we put this one.
Yeah, it's in there. And also the other one. I want to put the monkeys.
So,
Okay.
how do we play this one, Anika?
We just
What's the instruction?
We're gonna line up these monkeys.
Line up the numbers.
Like we want the girl. Okay, I did it. Now you're done.
Here's number 5. Oh,
That's
5.
enough.
5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, it's brown! It's really good! Ah! Oh, no! Monkeys!
7.
They're fine!
Ay, tumayo ng iba.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5. I have 5 monkeys.
9. 10. Okay. So now,
Mama, I have 5 monkeys.
okay, 5 monkeys. Set this aside. Okay, set it aside
This
first.
is a belly tag in the body.
Okay. But you have to show them, like the face of the monkey, right?
Yeah.
Is the face of the monkey, like that. And then now, you have to count. How many numbers do you have, Anika?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, okay. So how many numbers again?
10.
10. Okay. So have you counted your monkeys here? How many monkeys do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So if I put, so ganito lang siya. If maglalagay kayo ng number dito, wait lang, darling. So you put the number 5 here because you have 5 monkeys, right?
Yeah.
So can you put 5 monkeys there?
Wow.
Is it balanced?
Yay! Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So can we try
The number 1.
number 1? Okay.
Okay.
Put back number 5 and try number 1.
Okay. I'm gonna put number 1.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put number 1. And number 1 is it.
So is it balanced?
Yes! Okay, let's start with the number 2.
Okay.
Number 2 and 1. Okay, go there. Okay, I'll start with the monkeys.
Okay. So now let's explain to them that it comes in a different levels, right?
Okay.
It comes in a different level. So now we open the cards.
Okay.
We make it more challenging.
Mama, I want 3.
Okay, go ahead. Make 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hope it doesn't. Hope it doesn't.
Are you happy?
Help the monkey.
Okay. So, okay. Put, no. Okay, try.
Okay, hoping the balance.
How many are... no, it's not balanced. How many monkeys did you put here and how many monkeys here?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So, is it balanced?
Yes.
Yay! So, now you know the concept of monkey balancing the numbers using your monkey toy. Monkey balance.
Okay.
Right? So, now, this one, Anika, this one. What if we make it more challenging? Here are all addition. Addition card. There. Yan. The green side are all addition cards. And then this one is like yung ginawa natin kanina, the number and equivalent numbers of the monkeys. So, now we do the addition.
This is heavy.
That's what number?
7.
7. So, how many monkeys did you put?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So, is it balanced?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So, let's try doing this card, okay? Put this aside first. Help mommy put aside. Okay. And then, so what number are in here? Plus 2 plus 1 equals 3, right?
Yes.
So, you put 2 monkeys plus, how many? How many monkeys are here?
1, 2
1, 2 plus 1.
equals 3.
So, you add 1 equals
3.
3. So, is it balanced?
Yes.
Okay.
And so we're joining with Mama.
So, do you recommend other mothers to buy this kind of toy to their kids?
Yes.
Why? Because it is fun and it is very
Nice to play with and balanced.
So, mommies out there, if you're doing homeschool and you want to make your homeschool more fun and enjoyable for your kids, and that you buy this one, we'll be putting down the link below for where you can buy this kind of toy. It is very useful, especially if you're doing homeschool and you really want to make your kids learn and enjoy math.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye-bye. I'm gonna get now.